With Android 6.0 Marshmallow, we've gone back to the basics to focus on improving the core user experience. At Google I/O in May, we talked about some of the areas we polished, like text selection improvements, a new copy and paste floating bar, volume controls, and more. Now that we're done, I wanted to show you a few more examples of polish and craftsmanship that can be found throughout Marshmallow. So let's start with the lock screen. Now, we already have quick access to camera from the lock screen. In Marshmallow, we've extended quick access to Google Voice Search and Actions. So you just swipe from the left corner, and you get this beautiful material reveal animation, and then you can simply say what you want. For example, call Pacino Restaurant. You'll also notice the little charging indication on the lock screen, indicating that the phone is in fast charging mode, thanks to USB Type-C. And it's also estimating how much time the phone will take to charge. So let's unlock the phone. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is that we've reworked the window animations. So they follow the material design principle, where elements appear from their point of touch or interaction. When you touch a launcher icon, it expands outwards, and then it dismisses vertically downwards when you're done with it. So it feels intuitive and natural. We've also taken great care to simplify how heads-up notifications work. If you receive a heads-up notification, say an incoming text message, the notification now peaks down with a little bouncing animation to get your attention without disrupting your current task. You can easily push the notification back up to its hiding place, or you can swipe down to reveal the rest of the notification shade. Now the physics of notifications are truly consistent everywhere. Another area we polished and refined is the home screen. In Marshmallow, you can quickly scroll to find an app with the new A to Z indexing scheme, or indeed just instantly type the first letter or two to find the app. We've also added on-device intelligent prediction engine to learn your pattern of app launches over time and provide dynamic shortcuts at the top of the launcher for quick access. The phone learns your patterns, so it'll be able to show you apps you tend to launch at a certain time of day, say in the morning versus the evening, or in fact, apps you tend to launch in a specific sequence. And of course, with Marshmallow, we've radically changed the user permission model by greatly simplifying the number of permissions apps can ask for and only asking for permission the first time you try to use a feature, instead of asking during installation time. So, for example, let's say I launch Twitter and I want to tweet with an attached location. When I press the location button, the system presents a runtime permission for location like so. Now, we've heard loud and clear from Android users that they feel some phones come installed with too much bloatware. With the new Nexus devices, we've reduced the number of preloaded apps on the phone to make the out-of-box experience cleaner and simpler. We've also developed a new system that moves over a quarter of our apps to a post-setup installation phase, which means they can be uninstalled just like any other apps.